So today I'm going to be showing you how I made this Gallerie inspired huge wall mirror, and it can pass for wall art as well. I've been looking for something like this, but they're very expensive, and I decided to make it for a fraction of the price. Normally this will run you like $800 to $1,000, but I made this for all under $40 using Dollar Tree products and a huge mirror that I cut at Lowe's. So very simple, very easy to make, and it's such a huge, gorgeous statement piece. It looks super expensive. You'll never know that it's this easy and cheap to make. So grab your coffee, grab your tea, and let's do this DIY video. Let's go, dolls and dudes. And also, if you're new to my channel, subscribe down below. Share this video, like this video before you watch, and I will see you in the video. Let's go. Two of these, you can get this at Dollar Tree. 2 balls for 50 cents, I believe they are. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to tape them together. I'm going to tape it going across with duct tape so they can be stuck together. Taped it up across. Next I am going to get my mirror, which I got my mirror from Lowe's, and I'll try and put the measurements down below, but it's the biggest mirror they have in Lowe's, and I'm going to glue it down the middle. I'm going to put the mirror down. I'm going to take some construction Gorilla Glue. And this is really good. It helps cement. By the way, I don't have my nails done and they look so horrible because, you know, the whole situation going on in the world right now. No one can get to the nail store and I hate how my nails look. So anyway, just letting you know. So if you see me trying to hide it behind stuff, that's why I'm not really feeling how they look. So anyway, I'm just going to put this glue down on the board. And this is like the best glue you can get on Amazon, Walmart, Lowe's, anywhere. It's really good. Gorilla Construction Glue. So I'm just going to do that, and then I'm going to place my mirror on top of it. So I've already cut off one end. So what you're going to do is, after you've glued the mirror down, like I have here, you're going to take your knife and just cut along the edges here until this comes off. You don't need that piece. So all you will have is your plain mirror, but you have your backing underneath. And you could take this a step further if you want it to be like really extra secure. Instead of on cardboard, you can go to Lowe's and get, not Lowe's but Home Depot, and get like wood, a very thin piece of wood to be holding this down. But I choose to use I'm just using cardboard for this video, but if you want this to like last, I would say definitely go to Home Depot and get a little thin piece of wood. So I laid it out how I want to have it done, just to get an idea, and I'll say at this point, take a picture just so you can remember where everything is. So I'm now going to glue it. I'm going to be using a mixture of 2 glues, the Gorilla Construction Glue and also the Gorilla Construction Glue sticks with my glue gun, just to get the heat. I'm going to start on this side first because it's closest to the camera and you don't want to see me put it together, but I have created an order in which I want everything to look. So I'm now going to glue it because I'm satisfied with what I have. So I'm going to gently remove these, and the first thing I'm going to glue is the mirrors. So I'm going to glue the mirrors going all the way around this. Well, I'm actually going to do this side because I'm filming this side. So I'm going to glue the mirrors first because we need to lay those down. And I got these mirrors from Dollar Tree. Okay, so now that's all glued, you're going to take these frames, which I got from Dollar Tree. I have the bigger one here. I'm going to put the measurements across the screen, and then we have the smaller one here. And I am obsessed with these picture frames. I've been dying to use them in DIYs forever because one, they look really expensive and they are mirrored. They have like a mirrored look to it. So I thought these are perfect to create this look that I'm going with. By the way, that's a coffee table right there if you're wondering what that reflection is. Just try and ignore it. It's really hard to get it out of this video, but that's what that is. So I'm sorry about that, maybe if I move the camera away. But anyway, so I've been dying to use these in Dollar Tree. They are gorgeous, 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 gorgeous frames. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to place them as I had in the picture. As I said, you should take a picture of the picture to look at. So I have a picture saved and this is what it looks like. This is my mum's phone. So basically I look at it and I just have to kind of copy what I see in the picture. It goes like this. No, that's a small one. Like this, because you don't want to get it wrong. You have to kind of keep what you did, and I think we did this. We better have done this. Okay, so they're very close together. Yes, so something like this. And so just hold your picture and look at it, as you can see, so you get it right. And like this. So then now I'm going to take the smaller ones and I'm going to put them just like the picture across, just sticking out down the middle. So where they join like this, I'm going to place one there like this. I mean, once you get the hang of it, you're not going to have to keep looking at the picture, but this is when you're first making it. So now I'm going to start gluing the first one down, make sure everything is lined out properly, and then glue the first one down. Looking, we are almost complete. Now I'm going to just glue the end pieces on because I didn't show you how I did that end down there. So I'm going to glue this end on so you can see how I do the shape. You can see it already, but I'm just going to show you. And then we'll be done. It was really quick and easy to do, believe it or not. Probably one of my simplest DIYs ever, but it's gorgeous. It's absolutely stunning. So I'm just going to glue that down and then we'll be done. Random piece of wood last minute at Home Depot, and this is the one I got right here. It's very thin just to make it easy to hang and to make it more durable, so that's what I got at Home Depot. I got my board from Home Depot, as you saw in the clip before this clip, and basically I need something. I had to start the project again, so I needed something to put at the back of the mirror because of course, and I knew this will happen, the board, it doesn't cut it, it's not enough. The mirror got too heavy and it would have broken if I did not do this. So I got very cheap wood from Home Depot, and it's like $7. It's super cheap and very thin, but it's enough to support the frame and the mirror. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take my ruler and measure a line across so it can be equal, and then I'm going to put these, which I got from Lowe's, and this is what they are, sawtooth hangers to hang the frame, and that's how it looks like. So you can screenshot this, and this is how they come. And they have these little pins in them. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to hang these frames, hang this so we can hang the mirrors and hook it to like a needle. I think a needle or pin. So yeah, so that's what we're going to do, like really strong pins so it can just hook on the wall easily. So I'm going to do that now, and I'm just going to, you know, show you how to do it. All you do, it's very simple actually. You're just going to hammer this into the little holes in the corner. If you enjoyed this DIY, give it a big fat thumbs up. If you're new to my channel, subscribe down below. If you're going to be making this gorgeous Z Gallerie inspired luxury huge statement wall mirror / wall art, because it can go as art as well, comment down below if you're going to try your hand at making this. Again, follow my advice on using high temp glue, being patient. You need a lot of patience with this, and it will come out really good. Also, as I said, back it with wood and you're set. But this is so gorgeous. I am obsessed. Love it. Ah, so beautiful. Thank you so much for watching, dolls, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.